The device includes spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to open the fuse holder and replace the damaged fuse with a spare. Unscrew the pre-installed screws on the main unit and proceed to install the bracket plate. Unscrew the pre-installed screws on the handle holder and install it securely. Handle installation. Insert the handle plug into the corresponding socket on the main unit until a clear click is heard. Place the handle into the holder. Pedal switch installation. Align the concave notch on the plug with the convex guide on the socket. Then insert the plug and rotate the locking ring clockwise to secure. Pico handle tip installation. Attach the desired tip to the handle and rotate clockwise to secure. Avoid dropping or bumping the tip to prevent damage. Nose hair tip installation. Remove the screws on both sides and install the tip onto the 808 handle. Water filling. Remove the sealing caps from the injection and overflow ports. Attach the funnel to the injection port. Fill with pure or distilled water until it flows from the overflow port. Remove the funnel and securely replace the sealing caps. Connect the power cord. Release the emergency stop button and turn on the key switch. Select 808 755 1064 nanometers diode laser on the screen. Select the treatment area, area size, and skin tone according to the recipient's condition. Then tap SHR. Settings. Pulse width, 80 milliseconds. Time, 5 to 10 minutes. Frequency, 2 to 5 Hz. Grid size, 3 square centimeters. Cooling level, 4. Tap standby. Select the treatment area, area size, and skin tone according to the recipient's condition. Then tap SHR stack. Settings, stack 1, 2 to 5. Fluence, 50 joules per square centimeter. Cooling level, 4. Tap standby. Select the treatment area, area size, and skin tone according to the recipient's condition, then tap HR. Settings. Pulse width, 200 to 300 milliseconds. Cooling level, 4. Frequency, 1 to 3 Hz. Tap standby. Tap Pico laser. Settings. Energy level, 300 to 800 mJ. Frequency, 1 to 3 Hz. Tap standby. Note, press the foot switch to release energy. Power off the device and unplug the power cable. Water drainage. Remove the sealing cap from the drainage port and attach the funnel. Remove the cap from the overflow port. Wait until all water drains completely. Secure both caps back onto the overflow and drainage ports.